All right, so here's another dirty little secret of Wall Street. Traders, not long-term passive investors, but traders probably love markets like this because volatility can mean money-making opportunity. So let's bring in two gentlemen who do this for a living. Let's bring in Michael Nauss. He is the chief market strategist at Trade Ideas, and Ryan Stockmo, Monoski, retail trader and online personality. I got to go with a guy named Stockmo first, Ryan. So thanks for joining us. Listen, was I right? I mean, it's painful if you're long, but you want to buy low and sell high. What are you doing right now?
Well, we actually been jumping in on the treasuries for about a month or two now. We've been following old Buffett out there, selling a lot of the longs at the highs, following the technical charts, taking advantage of some of the leverage. Looked at TMF, jumped into the 20-year plus with the 3 times, making over 20%. Probably over our Discord, my Discord, where a lot of retail traders, thousands of members, we kind of share research. We come together. I heard the guests before talking about going into a small business. They asked about a cut from the Fed intermeeting or in between meetings. And you know what? That's the difference nowadays, is that the ability to share information amongst retail investors is very simple now. You get a part of a community, a good community that shares the information, come together, find out what the leading economic indicators are pointing towards, and make the appropriate moves as the charts show, the fundamentals show. You get overbought, and then you make the moves ahead of time. You don't be reactive, you be proactive. And that's what we have done. And so far, believe it or not, this week, we're not even upset. We're actually doing okay.
Ryan, how dare you use logic in a time of pure panic? Michael Nauss, what about you? What are you doing? Are you stepping into the market and buying, or just kind of waiting it out?
Well, we're definitely buying over here as well. And the idea is that the most studied thing out there in markets is the idea of relative strength. And there's no better day to find out what's relatively strong, what the institutions are not selling, than on days when the markets are down this much. So I'm looking at things like wheat and corn and cocoa. These were all pretty much up or unchanged on the day. We saw some stuff over in China that was interesting. Even some things which we expect would have gotten sold, like AMD, a lot of these names are holding up. So what I'm spending most of my night doing is just simply going through the market and saying, what's up on the day? What didn't they sell with the overall market? And I think that's going to be the opportunity. If this selling relents at any time, you're going to have the best move in the place where the institutions weren't putting on the brake. They weren't putting on this overhead supply in the market.